This is not analysis. It's a glimpse of what becomes possible once energy stops being the limiting factor. We end our oil addiction. Coal stays carbonized. Gas stays liquefied. Fossils remain fossils. Carbon sinks grow. Renewables multiply. Quietly, relentlessly. Energy shifts from scarcity to abundance. Not just enough, but virtually unlimited. Exponentially more than we will ever need. Not for decades, but for thousands of years. And when energy is no longer the constraint, civilization changes character. We move beyond survival, beyond extraction, beyond zero-sum thinking. Abundance does something subtle. It doesn't shout. It releases. Freed by energy, we are no longer bound to merely endure our planet, but to understand it, restore it, and care for it. And then, to look outward. First across Earth, then across our solar neighborhood, then perhaps across the galaxy itself and beyond. Not powered by conquest, not driven by urgency, but by quiet, persistent intelligence. All of this unfolds in the new age of petrification.